Monroe County Executive Adam Bello filing a formal complaint against a Rochester City Court judge over concerns of their ability to act impartially, specifically as it relates to setting bail.
Isabel Garcia joins us in the studio now to give us a breakdown of the complaint against Judge Michael Lopez. What is he specifically accused of doing?
Yes, good evening to both of you. County Executive Adam Bello filed the complaint with the New York State Commission on Judicial Conduct last week, citing concerns over Judge Michael Lopez as it relates, as you mentioned, to setting bail. He highlights two recent violent felony cases where the county executive tells me it's risen to the level of affecting public trust in the entire judicial system. Monroe County Executive Adam Bello sending this 4-page complaint to the State Commission of Judicial Conduct over the recent actions of Rochester City Court Judge Michael Lopez. In the letter, Bello lays out Judge Lopez's role as he is currently assigned to what's called Part 1 of the Rochester City Court, with preliminary jurisdiction over cases involving defendants charged with felonies in the city of Rochester, including setting bail. The letter goes on to explain the shift in how this is all handled with the now current setup of Centralized Arraignment Part, or CAP Court, which the county executive announced this past spring. There are then at least 2 examples of recent arrests by repeat felony offenders where the county executive says trends show a troubling pattern for this judge.
The ones that I pointed out here all had prior convictions, who continue to commit crimes in the community. They're repeat offenders where they're just let go. And these are crimes then that become preventable.
In one example, Bello cites People versus Jeremiah Black. Black was arrested on serious domestic violence charges Monday, August 25th by Rochester police, with an evening cap judge setting a $3,000 cash bail. This led to Black being entitled to a preliminary hearing, which the county executive claims should have been scheduled for that Friday, the 29th. Judge Lopez is serving in the capacity of Part 1 for the CAP Court, or handling morning sessions. A notable point in the letter: in the example of People versus Jeremiah Black, the county executive alleges under a directive from Judge Lopez, any defendants appearing in the PM CAP session and for whom bail is set should be adjourned for the very next business day for an appearance before Judge Lopez for a review of the bail decision. Black appeared before Judge Lopez on the 26th, where the suspect was released with non-monetary conditions.
But what happened here is not a normal process. What happened here is that the judge stepped outside of that, had the case, he himself had the case put back onto his docket the next day to then make a bail determination or a release determination that was not asked for by any other party to the court. So the defense attorney didn't ask for it, a prosecutor never asked for it. He took it upon himself, which essentially means he was acting now essentially as a defense attorney when he's supposed to be an impartial judge.
Now, you can read the complaint in its entirety right now in this article over on our website, rochesterfirst.com. We reached out to the judge's chambers for a request for comment and are told ethically he cannot speak on the matter. The State Commission on Judicial Conduct does not comment on any active investigations. We will continue to follow the story as it continues to develop. For now, reporting in the studio, Isabel Garcia, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.